Hi guys, in today's video, I'll discuss the differences between YNAB and EveryDollar. So do watch till the end to know which is better. Let's start with the differences. So the main difference between them is user friendliness and setup. EveryDollar is a great platform for those new to budgeting because it's very straightforward. Its interface is simple with basic budgeting features that can be set up quickly. On the other hand, YNAB is more sophisticated and better suited for those familiar with online budgeting. Additionally, one needs to set up different accounts on the app, such as savings, credit, and checking accounts. You also need to input financial goals upon initial sign-up, which can be time-consuming and complicated. EveryDollar, therefore, is more user-friendly, easy to understand, and simple to set up. Customizable spending plans and budget analysis. With EveryDollar, users can create individualized budget categories to suit their expenses. These categories can be as basic or detailed as you like, and can even be split further into smaller groups. With YNAB, however, the spending plans are more customizable and provide a more in-depth analysis of one's budget. Aside from creating basic categories, users can see their spending habits against their current financial status, i.e., their deposits, withdrawals, and set goals. On YNAB, you can also get custom date ranges for reports, while EveryDollar only offers preset periods. YNAB, therefore, provides high-quality budgeting features and analyzes ease of adding transactions on YNAB. Users can quickly add transactions to their spending plans. It also has mobile widgets so users can quickly add information without opening the app. On the other hand, EveryDollar doesn't have quick add features or mobile widgets. Users must manually open the application to input data and transactions. Additionally, YNAB has location-based pay suggestions and can detect your location to automatically add data for repeat transactions. EveryDollar doesn't have this feature. YNAB therefore provides a more convenient data input process, but do they have any similarities? Yes, they do. Both YNAB and EveryDollar give users budgeting tips and recommendations. This is useful especially for people that are unfamiliar with budget creation. Additionally, both platforms have a two-factor authentication process which secures users' accounts and sensitive information. To sum up, which is better, YNAB or EveryDollar? I highly appreciate how easy setting up my account and getting started on the EveryDollar app was. As a first-time user, the platform was simple to understand. However, YNAB gave me detailed reports and allowed me to get a more well-rounded budgeting experience. Also, adding in data was hassle-free and convenient. For those reasons, I pick YNAB as the overall winner. So that's it for this comparison. If you find this video helpful, then consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.